fairy help at home. Lily is a little girl. One day, she is playing with her toys. Her room is messy, with toys everywhere. Suddenly, a kind fairy named Bella appears. She says, "Hello, Lily." Lily looks surprised and says, "Hello, Bella. I'm playing, but my toys are all over the place." Bella smiles and says, "Lily, it's fun to play, but we must help our parents by keeping the house clean. A clean home makes everyone happy." Lily asks, "But how can I help my mom and dad?" Bella says, "You can pick up your toys, put them in the box, and help clean up. It's important to help parents. They do a lot for us." Lily thinks and says, "You're right, Bella. I should help my parents." Lily starts picking up her toys and putting them in the toy box. Bella helps her too. Soon, the room is nice and clean. Lily feels proud and says, "Look, Bella. The room is clean, and I helped my parents." Bella smiles and says, "You did a great job, Lily. Helping your parents is a good thing. It makes the home happy, and there's no mess." Lily smiles and says, "From now on, I will always help my parents and keep the house clean." Bella waves her wand and says, "That's wonderful, Lily. Helping and cleaning make everyone happy."